last few days of shoot, I think were really exemplary for us because, trust me, all of us were a little, of course we were upset, but we were taken aback by the kind of spirit that Mr. Dutt showed us. You know, maybe we felt a little sad during shoot, but he still kept his face on, and whenever he shot, trust me, if you see the promo, if you're going to watch the film, you will never be able to tell which was that song which we shot after the verdict came out, or which were the scenes that we did before or after, because he was still the true performer that he is. I think it's his spirit that's actually brought all of us here together today. We want to do this, not only for him, but yes, for all the reasons, and we don't want to let him down. And I just have this feeling deep down within that his fans are never going to disappoint him, whether he's here with us today, whether he's not here, whether he personally visits anyone's cities or not. I don't think that matters to them because they still love him, and I hope that they won't let him down.
I think it's the same question what she actually said, you know, they have, you know, what they are going through right now is, it's not right on our behalf for me to call them here to come out on a podium, you know, where they have to promote something. You know, if any one of us would be going through what they are going through right now, I mean, we wouldn't have had the guts to even get out of the house. For them to come out and do even this much is, you know, I feel ashamed to ask them, you know, even if they do tell me that, you know, we are there for you, but by what face do I show them and ask them to come out and support me, you know? Their support here right now, with that family was here, I think that's more than enough. You know, that shows their spirit and what they feel towards us.
Yay! No, we really have to be very thankful to them to let us be a part of this lovely film, and it was a very good one for us because the song that we wrote, it went very well with the situation, and it also talks about Sanjay Dutt. So that's the best part about the film. We'll just sing one line so you'll know what the song is all about. It talks more about the character in the film and Dutt Sahab himself. So it's a very good one for us. So I'll just sing a line, you know how the song goes. I have come, अरे बाजुओं में दम, अरे फोड़ के रख देंगे बाय गॉड की कसम, अरे आया हैंडसम, अरे छोड़ के शर्म, अरे डोल शोल तगड़े पर हार्ट है नरम, मुन्ना स्टाइल है, ऐसी स्माइल है, जब भी देने का पब्लिक का करता मूड है, बंदा गुड है, दिल का शुद्ध है, एक्शन हीरो और नाम रॉबिन हुड है.
Mr. Prakash is a great performer. The man, whenever he comes on screen, he lights up the screen. He just puts the screen on fire. And you know what I would actually like you guys to wait for is all the combination scenes of him and Baba together. Both of them, the magic which they create on screen is going to be insanity. And with that, I would request all you guys to avail your Policegiri combo coupons at the FNB counter, and whichever one of us is required outside for any interviews, we are.
I play a software engineer in the film, in Policegiri. It's kind of wonderful to play a part like this, जहाँ पे बहुत serious film है और you know आपको एक किरदार दिया जाता है who brings in so much life and fills the screen with color. What I love about the role is how strong the girl is. Dishonesty से उसको बहुत नफरत है, वो बिल्कुल tolerate नहीं कर सकती है, and she speaks her mind. So I love the fact that, you know, she's a today's girl, she's strong and she's out there and she completely speaks her mind. Yeah. Thank you very much. वो एक बहुत ही स्पेशल रोल था मेरे लिए भी. पुलिसगिरी में मेरा रोल बहुत अलग है उससे. वो एक पीरियड फिल्म था, but this is you know, today's time. This is a current time film. So बहुत अलग है. Also, I think the fun part about the role is that उसकी मम्मी हिंदू है, उसके पापा मुस्लिम है, एंड जब भी कोई लड़का उसे देखने आता है तो या तो मम्मी भगा के लेके जाती है उसे या तो पापा भगा के लेके जाते हैं. These are I think the kind of things that we've played with in the film, and बाकी बहुत different है character. I think it's been a wonderful experience so far. When I heard the story, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी ये script, and apart from that, I loved the original film Sami जो मैंने देखी हुई है, the Tamil film. वो एक बहुत ही beautiful, simple film है, and see, that's true. And as an actor, as a professional, as you know, as somebody who loves her job, I want to do every bit that I can, which is possible for me. Unfortunately, he's not here with us. Whether he was he would be here, or today he's not, I will still do every bit that I have to do. If I have to go an extra bit, absolutely. I've promised my producers that I'll do whatever they demand from me, and there's nothing I think that changes. I think the spirit still remains, and we will still do whatever we have to do.
See, it is my personal feeling कि जो गाना है बंदा गुड है, दिल का शुद्ध है, एक्शन हीरो नाम रॉबिन हुड है. Mr. Dutt in his real life is like that. आप इंडस्ट्री में किसी से भी मिले, वो सिर्फ आपको उनके गुण ही बताएंगे कि मिस्टर दत्त ने उनके लिए एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम क्या क्या किया था. सो बंदा और रॉबिन हुड ही है. See, this is something what the audience would love to see Sanjay Dutt do that. Every movie, every character is different. But then it is what the actor has to bring, with him on the table. वो क्या लाता है, lot of skills might be different or similar, but it is that one actor who makes everything, makes the difference. So you'll see what Mr. Sanjay Dutt has to bring to the table.